In today's video, I'll show you how to design a movie poster in Canva. From a blank idea to a polished, cinematic poster ready for the big screen, you'll learn every step. Open Canva and search for movie posters. Start with a theme template for quick inspiration or choose a blank canvas for full creative control. Templates give layout ideas, and you can tweak everything later, so pick what helps you start fast. Next, build your visual foundation. Upload photos or explore Canva's library for backgrounds, characters, and textures. Drag your main image onto the canvas, resize and position it so the focal point is clear. Use the background remover tool, if you have Pro, to isolate a character and place them over a scenic backdrop. For smoother blends, try the Image Blender app for subtle transitions. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, and apply a gentle filter to set the tone: cool for sci-fi, warm for drama, desaturated for thriller. Layer your subject over the background to create depth. Add gradients or textures as transparent overlays to introduce atmosphere without overpowering the scene. Soft smoke, rain, or a hint of grain works well. Action or horror posters benefit from splatters, dust, or light streaks. Canva AI tools can generate stylized text or remove backgrounds quickly, keeping the look professional and saving time. Now for typography. Add text boxes for title, tagline, and cast or crew. Choose fonts that match your genre: geometric for sci-fi, tall condensed for thrillers, rounded for comedies. Establish hierarchy: title dominates, tagline supports, credits stay small. Use outlines, shadows, or fading to separate text from background and adjust spacing so everything is readable at a glance. Finish strong with details: a credit block, release date, and ratings or studio marks. Zoom out and check alignment. Canva guides help center elements so the eye flows from main image to title to supporting text.